Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is Top 5 Automations for Generating Marketing Content with Google Gemini using Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to tell you about some amazing automations that you can create with the help of Google Gemini and Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration, and now you can create all these amazing automation to make your marketing easy. So the most time-consuming task in marketing is to generate the marketing content, and here I'm going to tell these amazing automation just to ease up your time and to save a lot of energy and time in generating your content for marketing. So here I'm going to tell you about all these automation, and here we can use Google Gemini for generating the content, and we can do all this automatically. So how we can set up all these amazing automations? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see top 5 automations for generating marketing content with Google Gemini. So here in this video, I'm going to showcase you how Pabbly Connect can integrate with Google Gemini to automate the process of generating marketing content. So Google Gemini, known for its AI-powered content generation, and this can help marketers to save time by creating everything from blog posts to social media captions automatically. So here I'm going to tell you about the 5 powerful automation that I'm going to teach you in this video, and each of those automations are aimed to streamline my content creation. So here I have created all these amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, and with Pabbly Connect we can connect Google Gemini with any applications that we want without any coding and programming skills. So here I'm going to tell you about the 5 best automation that I have used for generating content and for generating the marketing content. And here for setting up these automation, I have used Pabbly Connect. So here these are my top 5 automations, and I'm going to tell you about each of them one by one. So this is my first automation, that is to automatically create social media posts using Google Generative AI. So in this automation, what I can do is that if I have the images that I want to post on my social media platform and I have added that in my Google Sheet, then automatically by connecting Google Sheet, Google Gemini and my social media platform, I can automatically generate the tags, hashtags or caption for my post, and after generating that by using Google Gemini, I can post them on my social media platform. So here what I need to do is I need to just set up my trigger and action steps. So in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps, and trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here first we need to set up our trigger, and in this automation we will first use Google Sheet as our trigger, and here our trigger event is going to be new or updated spreadsheet row. So here whenever we will add the new image details in our Google Sheet, then automatically after setting up our action, where I'm going to first use Google Gemini as my action application to generate the content, and here I'm going to generate the content like generating the captions, tags or hashtag for my post, and after generating the content, I'm going to connect all my social media platforms in my actions tab, and I'm going to create posts on my social media platform. So here by setting up this automation, I can automatically create social media posts by using Google Gemini, and I can post them on my every social media handle. So this is my first automation, and as I am a social media manager, I regularly post on my social media platforms. This is the most important automation for me. Now here, I'm going to take you to my second automation, which is to auto reply to Google Business Profile reviews using Google Gemini. So suppose here I have a business and I have added that on my Google Business Profile. Now for my business, I'm receiving a lot of reviews on Google Business Profile. Now for increasing my credibility and my customer trust, I want to auto reply to all those reviews, whether it is a positive review or a negative review. So if it is a positive review, then I want to thank my reviewer or my customer, and if it is a negative review, then in my reply, I want to show my concern and I want to improve myself. So here in my trigger, I'm going to use Google Business Profile as my trigger application. A new review is going to be my trigger event. So for every new review, I'm going to get the response here in Pabbly Connect. And as I'm going to get a new review, then automatically by using Google Gemini, I'm going to generate the content for my reply for that review. And I'm going to generate the content according to the review if it is a positive or a negative review. After generating the reply by using Google Gemini, I can automatically create that reply for the review on my Google Business Profile. So here this is my second automation for building up my credibility and customer trust. Now let me take you to my third automation, that is to automatically generate product description for my Shopify store using Google Gemini. Now suppose here I'm launching new products on my Shopify store, and I want my products to have a unique and an engaging description so that whenever my customer will read that description, I want that to engage him and make sure that they buy that product. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the help of Google Gemini, and I'm going to automatically generate the product description by using Google Gemini, and I'm going to update that description on my product in Shopify. So here I'm going to first set up my trigger where I'm going to use Shopify, and new product is going to be my trigger event. So for every new product, I'm going to get the response in Pabbly Connect, and as I'm going to get that response, then automatically by using all the detail of my product, I'm going to generate the description by using Google Gemini. So after generating the description, what I'm going to do is I'm going to update that back on my Shopify product. So here with this, for every new product that I'm going to launch on my Shopify store, I will have a unique and an engaging description. And I can generate and update these descriptions automatically on my Shopify store for every product by using Google Gemini and Pabbly Connect. So here with this automation, I can generate the product description for my Shopify store. And now I'm going to take you to my fourth automation, that is to auto reply to YouTube comments using Google Generative AI. So suppose I'm a YouTuber and I'm receiving a lot of feedbacks on my video comments for my channel. Now what I want to do is I want to reply to all the feedbacks, but I can't do this manually because the number of comments I'm getting is very high. So here by setting up this automation and by using Google Gemini, I can automatically generate the reply for every feedback. As I'm going to generate that reply for all the comments, then automatically I can reply to those comments on my YouTube channel back. So here for that, I just need to set up this automation where I have to first set up my trigger where I'm going to use YouTube, and new comment on a video will be my trigger event. So for every new comment that I'm going to get on my YouTube channel, I will get the response here. And as I'm going to get that response, then automatically by using Google Gemini in my Actions tab, I'm going to generate the content, or I'm going to generate the reply for that comment. And after generating that comment by using Google Gemini, I can automatically create that reply to my comment on my YouTube channel. So here by setting up this connection between YouTube and Google Gemini, I can automatically reply to all my YouTube comments. So here this is my fourth automation, and now I'm going to take you to my last automation, that is to generate WordPress posts using Google Gemini. So with this automation, I can automatically generate my marketing blogs that I post on my WordPress account. And here for that, what I need to do is I just need to have the topics on which I want to create my blogs, and I want to add that in my Google Sheet. So as I'm going to add new topics in my Google Sheet, then automatically by using those topics, I'm going to give that topic to Google Gemini. And as I'm going to give that topic, then automatically by using Google Gemini, it will generate the blog for my WordPress account. And as I'm going to generate that blog and my post detail, then automatically I can post that on my WordPress account. And as I'm going to create a new post on WordPress, then automatically I can update that back in my Google Sheet. So like this, I can automatically generate new posts for my WordPress account or new blogs on my WordPress site. And here I just need to connect Google Sheet, Google Gemini and WordPress to automatically create this automation. So first I'm going to set up my trigger, and in trigger I'm going to use Google Sheet, and here new or updated spreadsheet row is going to be my trigger event for getting all the detail of my topics that I'm going to add in my Google Sheet. After this, I have to set up my Actions tab where I'm going to use Google Gemini or Google AI Studio. And here generate content is going to be my action event. So I'm going to generate content for my blogs. And after generating the content, I'm going to create that post on my WordPress site. And as I'm going to create that new post, then automatically I can update that post link on my Google Sheet where I have added the topics. So here by building this connection, I can set up this automation for generating WordPress posts using Google Gemini. And here by using Pabbly Connect and Google Gemini, I can automatically generate my marketing content. So this is going to save me a lot of time and energy. And if you want to learn about all of these automations, then you just have to check out the YouTube library that we have on our channel of Pabbly, and you will see amazing automation video that we create daily, and you will learn a lot about automations and integration just by checking our channel. So you can find all these amazing workflows link in my video description, so you can check it out from there. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.